Today, for the 1970 Hot Wheels Tune-Up Tower, we're going to look at getting the elevator working. When you come into the tower, you need to get up to the top floor for testing. It's a little hard to do when you don't have an elevator. The solution? Star Trek tells us that teleportation is the way to go. One step better is having an elevator. Except the drive belt on this one is broken. To work on the elevator, we'll have to take the tower apart. The screws are already out. On the underside of the first floor, these little clips are holding the elevator in place. Lift them up and push them out. Now the elevator can be removed. To get at the lift, slide it up and elevate the center portion. The lift then comes right off. This technique is only good with a broken lift. The drive roller on the top of the elevator pulls out on the gear side. The back of the lift is surprisingly complex. The lower part of the belt is coupled to a spring mechanism that protects the belt from sudden loading and keeps the belt under proper tension. Here's the unit disassembled. The broken strip is on the bottom right. Reassembly puts the top part of the belt on first. The sliding bottom part goes on next, and the spring attaches last. Since this belt is broken, I'm going to try to tape it back together. But if that fails, Plan B is using some ribbon instead. This is 1/2-inch ribbon, and it's close to the right width. When I taped the original belt back together, it ended up being too short. I was missing a piece. The belt is supposed to be just over 23 inches long, so that's the length of ribbon I'll cut. To strengthen the ends, I'll use some tape. Then I need a hole in the top end. And a slot in the bottom end. The ribbon then slides through the bottom. And now the lift attachments go on. A lift with an intact belt can only be put back in place from the side, not the top. Before finishing reassembly, the drive roller has to be thoroughly cleaned. The tiniest amounts of residue will cause belt slipping. Using finger tension, pull the belt up and slide the drive roller back into place. Now for final reassembly. Let's see if it works. Not bad. Now with the car. Very nice. I'm not sure how long a ribbon will last, but for now it does the job and looks better than a broken belt. Finally, the more common scenario. You've got an elevator with the belt intact, but it doesn't work. Take off the top, free up the elevator tabs on the bottom side, and pull it out. Remove the drive roller first. This belt is filthy and stained. Remove the lift from the side very gently. I'm using a Mr. Clean magic eraser to clean the belt in my sink. The stain takes more effort to get out. Once done, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. Now slide the lift back into place. To get the drive roller back in, pull the belt up. Use some finger tension on the belt to make room for the roller. The elevator feet snap back down, and we're almost ready to go. The result? We've got a little action, but it's not right yet. The solution? Pull out the drive roller again and clean the rubber completely. This is the critical step for a properly working elevator. And now, that's more like it. Next, test with a car. Success. So there you have it, the 1970 Hot Wheels tune-up tower with functioning elevator. We're now ready to make Hot Wheels. Still fast, still fun.